Hi everyone, my name is Crystal Miller. Welcome to my channel where you will learn tips and tricks to grow your online business. In this video, we're going to talk about Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. I learned this today, so this is all new to me, but there will be more videos to come. I'm excited because I learned something new today, and I know that I can start implementing this right now. I also learned that Amazon is a good place to start for us that are just starting out. Drop a comment if you are or not if you are or not an Amazon affiliate. Now, let's get the link from the product. You want to grab the short link, which is pretty cool of Amazon to already shorten it for you. Then you can just highlight it and right click on it to copy it. Excuse me. Then you take that. Oh, before I go on any further, this link and all the others are cookie to you. What that means is, if they make a purchase, you get that commission. Now here's the good part. The cookie lasts 24 hours. So let's say they click off of the Amazon, your product, everything is gone off their screen. Let's say they decide later to go back to that product, or let's say they just go back to Amazon and they search for something other than the product that they clicked on to begin with. Doesn't matter. It's all cookie to you within that 24-hour period. So they go and they click on something else, you get that commission. That's pretty dang cool, I think. Okay, so we copied this link. Oops, not what I wanted to do. Copy this link. Then we take it. We go do a blog. Now we put that link that we just copied. We'll drop it in the middle of our blog. And we want to make sure that it's SEO. SEO, which means search engine optimization for Google, to rank high in Google. Then once you got your blog all done, you got your link in there, go to YouTube and create a review on it, on this product that you just copied the link for. Make a review on it. Then once you got your review done on the video, you want to drop your blog link in the description box. And then you take the video and put it onto your blog. That way you got eyeballs coming every direction, which is pretty cool what I learned. I didn't know that. That's all I know for now. And if you got any value out of this, hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't ever miss out. I dropped the link below for this system. So it's an awesome system. I mean, it's got everything you need, all the bells and whistles. You don't need anything else other than this to promote anything. This is it. It's got your websites, everything. That's pretty much it. Bye for now.